Okay, if you guys have kiddos like me and they're always losing tooth, we need something for the tooth fairy, right? So we have this super duper cute wooden tooth fairy hanger for the door. As you can see, it's just gonna slip right on there where the door handle goes, and it has like this very cute, it's burnt into the wood. It says, "Tooth fairy, please stop here." And then if you can see on the top here, like this is where the tooth fairy could put possibly money. And then on the bottom here, here's like a little hanger. It's so cute. It's like a big old tooth. Can you hold that, bud? And then, so then when you get a tooth, they give you this super cute little glass bottle. And you go ahead and pop your little toothy in there. And then of course, this cute little bag here. It's a little burlap bag. It's really nice and feels really secure. And you just cinch it right up. And then you can go ahead and put it on the little hook that it has down below here. And then we just go ahead and we hang this beautiful thing right on our door and we wait. So let's go hang it up.